So today we'll discuss exercise 5C of advanced maths from the chapter linear simultaneous equation. So before starting exercise 5C, let us see how to find the solution of simultaneous equation in two variable. So these are the two simultaneous equation in two variable. Okay, we can call it pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so to find the value of x and y of pair of linear equation in two variable, there are four different methods. Okay, the first one is substitution method, second one is comparison method, third one is elimination method, and fourth one is cross multiplication method. Okay, so for cross multiplication method, there are two formula we can use. To find the value of x, we can use this formula, and to find the value of y, we can use this formula. Okay, so the value of a1, a2 or b1, b2 we can find from the pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so we have to compare this general form with the pair of linear equation in two variable. So we'll see in exercise 5C how to find the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. Okay, so we'll start exercise 5C. So exercise 5C, question number A is given: applying cross multiplication method, solve. You have to find the value of x and y by cross multiplication method. Okay, so what we'll do in case of cross multiplication method, we have to bring all the terms to the left hand side. So x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, similarly 2x minus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. Now you have to compare this one with the general method of pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so you have to compare this one with this general form, b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and in this case also a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now you have to compare. Instead of a1, what is the value here? What is multiplying with x? The variable x, the coefficient is 1, right? So this a1, b1, c1, these are the integers. Okay, so what will be the coefficient of x? That is 1. Coefficient of b1 is 2. Coefficient of c1 is minus 5. Similarly for this, a2 is 2 and b2, instead of b2 what is the number? Minus 3, and c2 is minus 8. Okay, so now by using the formula to find the value of x, which formula we'll be using? We'll be using bc minus bc. Very easy way to remember the formula. You just write bc minus bc, ab minus ab. Now you write down 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1. This is the best method to remember the formula. Similarly to find the value of y, the formula is ca minus ca, ab minus ab, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1. Okay, by using this formula you can find the value of x. Now you just replace the value. What is b1? b1 is 2 into c2. c2 you can see minus 8 minus b2 is minus 3 into c1 is minus 5. Okay, similarly a1 is 1 into b2. What is b2? b2 is minus 3 minus what is a2? a2 is 2, and b1 is 2. So if you multiply this one, you will get minus 16, and minus plus minus again minus. This will be 15 divided by this is minus 3 minus 4. So you will get minus 31 by minus 7. So minus cancel. So the value of x is 31 by 7. This will be the value of x. Similarly for y also, you just replace the value of c1 a2, c2 a1, and you will get the value of y. So let us see. For a, in the denominator this is same. See, these are same. So you just replace this value, 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2. In the numerator we see c1. What is c1? c1 is minus 5. So write minus 5 into a2. What is a2? a2 is 2 minus c2 is minus 8 into a1. What is a1? a1 is 1. So this will become minus 10 minus minus plus 8 into 1 is 8, and this will become minus 3 minus 4. So if you solve it, you will get minus 2 and here minus 7. Minus minus cancel, 2 by 7. The value of y is 2 by 7. Okay, so this is the best method to find the value of x and y. So next we will see question number 3. So here it is given 4x plus 3y plus 15. So you can directly derive the value of a1, b1, c1 from this equation. But this one you have to bring this 4 to the left hand side. So x minus 7y minus 4 equals to 0. Let me write this one also, 4x plus 3y plus 15 equals to 0. Now what is the value of a1? a1 is 4, b1 is 3, c1 is 15. Okay. Next here, if you compare this one, what is a2? a2 is 1, b2 is minus 7 and c2 is minus 4. Okay. Now you just replace the value in this formula. Now here, what is b1? b1 is 3 into c2. c2 you can see minus 4 minus b2. b2 is minus 7 into c1. c1 is 15. And here a1 is 4, b2 is minus 7 minus a2 is minus 7, sorry, a2 is 1 into, and b1 is 3. Okay, so if you solve this one, you will get minus 12, minus minus it will become plus 7 into 15, 7 5s are 35 and 105, and here in the denominator you will get minus 28 minus 3. So if you solve this one, if you subtract, how much you will get? Here you will get minus 31, and here it will be plus 105 minus 12, 3, 93. So this will become 93. So if you cancel this one, you will get 3. So the negative sign you can write it here. So the value of x is minus 3. Okay. Similarly, we will put you just replace the value here. In the denominator it will be same, 4 into minus 7 minus 1 into 3. And in the numerator, replace the value. What is c1? c1 is 15. a2, what is a2? a2 is 1 minus c2 is minus 4 into a1 is 4. So this will become 15 minus minus it will become plus 4, 4 is 16, and here you will get minus 28 minus 3. So 31 by minus 31. So if you cancel it, you will get 1. So minus negative sign is there, so you can write here. So minus 1. The value of y is minus 1. Okay, very simple. You just replace the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 in that formula. You will get the value of x and y. Next we will move to question number 5. So the question is given like this. So you just bring this one to the left hand side, you will get x plus ay minus 1 equals to 0. This one, ax minus y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Now you compare with the general form. a1, instead of a1, what is the value? a1 is 1. Okay. b1 is a and c1 is minus 1. Similarly, a2, instead of a2, what is the value? a. b2, it will be minus 1, and c2 is minus 3. Okay. Now you just replace the value in that formula. So here b1, what is b1? a into c2 is minus 3 minus b2 is minus 1 into c1 is minus 1, and in the denominator a1 is 1, b2 is minus 1 minus, and a2 is a, and b1 is also a into a. So what you will get? You will get this will become minus 3a minus minus plus plus minus 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 1, and in the denominator what you will get? Minus 1 minus a square. So you see in both the cases minus is common, so you just take out the minus. What if you take out the minus, what you can write? You can write 3a plus 1, and here also if you take out the minus you will write 1 plus a square. Okay, minus minus cancel, this will be the value of x. 3a plus 1, 1 plus a square will be the value of x. Similarly for this also we will replace it. In the denominator you will get the same value, 1 into minus 1 minus a into a. In the numerator c1, what is the value of c1? c1 is minus 1 into a2 is a minus c2 is minus 3, a1 is 1. So what you will get? In the numerator you will get minus a, and this will minus minus plus 3, and denominator you will get minus 1 minus a square. Okay, so if you take minus as common, what you will get the value here? If you take the minus out, this negative will become minus a will become plus a, this is a, and plus will become minus 3. Okay, and here if you take out the minus you will get 1 plus a square. Now you see, if you multiply this bracket with minus, so minus plus it will become minus, minus minus it will become plus. Similarly in this case also it will be same. So minus minus you can cancel, so the value of y will become a minus 3 by 1 plus a square. Okay, so our next question is given, question number 7, ax equals to c plus by. So we have to bring in a systematic order. Okay, we have to follow this format. So first the variable x, then y, then c. So you just bring it to the other side, you will get ax minus by minus c equals to 0. And in this case you see minus x is there, so better you take all these terms to the right hand side. So you can write ay, if you take this one to the other side you can write is plus x minus b equals to 0. Okay, now bring in a systematic order, bring x in the first place, x plus ay minus b equals to 0. Okay, now you find the value of a1 b1. Now you just compare this one, instead of a1 the value is a, instead of b2 value is minus b, instead of c1 the value is minus c, and in this case a2 is 1, b2 is a, and c2 is minus b. Okay, just replace the value in this formula. A1 is, okay, let me do this one first, b1 is minus b into c2 is minus b. Okay, minus b2 is a into c1 is minus c. In the denominator a1, what is a1? A1 is a into b2 is also a, minus a2, what is a2? A2 is 1, and b1 is minus b. Just multiply this one, you will get a square minus minus it will become plus b, and this will become minus minus plus, so b into b square minus minus plus, so plus ac. So this will be the value of x. Okay, you cannot change anymore. Similarly you just replace here, this will be the same, a into a minus 1 into minus b. Numerator c1, what is c1? C1 is minus c into a2 is 1 minus c2 is minus b, a1 is a. So if you multiply this one you will get a square minus minus plus b, you will get this one minus c minus minus plus a into b, ab. So you just bring a systematic order, bring this positive sign in the first place, so ab minus c, a square plus b. Okay, that will be the value of x. Fine. So that's all from exercise 5c. We'll see exercise 5d in our next class.